Welcome to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, of course, hopefully you see the video on Sunday, where basically the state say 87, 90, 116 kerosene, criminals and their enablers. Anytime them drop out, they have to be designated COB. And I was saying, I want to hear the stats. I want to hear the numbers. Fortunately, shortly after, it might be the day after, the video is posted, the 24th? Cliff Hughes and Nationwide answer the question. One I can realize what I want. So, after saying more answer the stats them, but you don't know, as a little YouTuber, when you get access to certain information or certain people, right? So, the most you can see is the stats somebody on the JCF side. But, fortunately, coincidentally, Cliff Hughes and the police commissioner had an interview, had a little question and answer, back and forth thing on the platform. And Cliff Hughes asked the question. And the police commissioner answered. I go play the clip. But before we go any further, I want to send a special Patreon birthday shout out to none other than Felicia Rowe. Now Felicia, you don't know who this come from already. Boy, I tell them, I love when time I read the message them. I love when time I read the message them. And I see the man them talk about them woman in glowing, words, and vice versa when woman talk about them man. Because if you follow people, it make it sound like say, there's no hope left. Like say, relationships and man and woman and everything they're done for. No, foolishness. Don't make social media lead astray. So, Felicia, pick up yourself when you're earth strong. Live long and prosper. When you don't show me the situation with the long distance, but you don't know, see? Big up yourself. Make you go into the video. I'm going to hear it from the police commissioner's mouth. Again, this is from Nationwide. For them thing, let's take a look at clip. Check this out.
And when we look at our attribution last year, 79% of homicides were gang on gang or gang related. There's another 19% of homicides that was interpersonal matters that get resolved through murder. And then there is a small percentage of them that we can't attribute as yet. And there's about a 5 or so percent that are in pursuit of other crimes, like a robbery gone bad or something like that. What that means is out of 1,400, 70 of them is what really impacts the random person.
Hear you, Commissioner Anderson. But in this mix,
yes,
where the criminals are not letting up?
Now, I'm glad Cliff Hughes asked because I don't know, even though Sunday may say more answer the stats, right, the police commissioner now, answer now, look at YouTuber, at least not directly. So, 79%? 79% is gang on gang or gang related. 19% interpersonal. So that means, that will cover like your man and woman, girl clone, kill man over woman and them sitting there. Or, man and man have a dispute, road rage, man no like man and pre-man. Basically, look at petty foolishness, LEQ nonsense. 19% though. I was expecting that figure to be higher. Now, he mentioned a 5%, and I think that's a 5% out of the 100. Not sure, because obviously 79 plus 19 plus 5, you're gone over 100 already. So I imagine it's 5% at either the 79 or the total 100, I don't know. But, just in case you're not aware, robberies in Jamaica actually went down last year. Jamaica is a country that has more reported murders than robberies. Let me say that again. Jamaica has more reported murders than robberies. 79%? Just call it 80. No, I still want more answers. I'll tell you why. Inside of that 79%, him say gang activity and gang related. What that mean? See, I know some people that say, alright, that means that 79% of people are either 87, 90, 116 or kerosene, so good riddance. Hold on just a second. Gang related means say the people them who dead because of the cultural attitude we say they can't catch Quaco, they catch them short, them included in this. In other words, those 79% of people, under the whole of them, are criminals. Some of them, their charge their crime is to be related or if you know the wrong somebody. So out of that 79%, enough of them people for them crime is to be related to the wrong somebody. Illegal possession of a relative, illegal possession of a friend. So if one bad man war against the next bad man, he can't catch him, so him go for him 3 brother the man and 2 of him sister the man and mother and him kill them, they would be included in that 79%. Also, if the man them go for shoot up bigger crime and him sit down on a table with 6 man and play domino and the man them shoot all 6 people, including bigger crime, they would be included under that gang related. Now, if I know so, I would love it if them can further clarify, but in order for that 79% make sense at the only way we can see it. Them people wouldn't be included in the interpersonal. Them people wouldn't be included in the robbery. So they must fall under either gang and gang or gang related. So, the reason I mention this is, we know people might say, alright, 79% of people mix up, so them, when the business them one dead. Hold on. Enough people who not involved in the badness lose them life in that 79%. So even that figure I'd love to see broken down further. So it goes somewhere in giving us a good picture of what going on, but we still want to know more. Because inside of that 79%, some of them are one of the octanes or a kerosene. Some of them dead because of them they in one bar when time the man can shoot it up or can't catch Quaco, they catch him shot. But at least we have a better picture. 79% on the sister gangs have been neutralized. If we could cut down that 79%, let's say it was to become 30% or even 40%. Let's call it 80%, round up to 80%, and then half it to 40%, Jamaica's murder stats would look completely different. So basically what the police commissioner say is that the average Jamaican is very, very unlikely to lose them life because of the murder. That is what he basically said. Based on the stats, very unlikely. But here is the thing. You might get catch in the 79. Because you might, they in a one nightclub, or they in a one bar, or they in one corner play domino, and the man then come for sci-fi and you get caught in it. And you will be counted as gang related. Again, this is how me I interpret the whole gang related. So, don't just say, well, see there, all 79% mean to them for dead. No, enough people who are involved, right, in that figure. This is why I say I want to see known gang member. I would love to see it broken down. Known gang member, known kerosene, COB. But at least now we have a better picture. 79%. Gang and gang related. Extraordinary. Very interesting. 79%. That's an extraordinary figure. No one see why we need legislation. No one see why the laws need more teeth. Because if the gangs them alone are responsible for 80%, that means that if 1,000 people lose them life, right, in a year, that means that 790 of them is because of gangs. 790. That is extraordinary. 79%. Right. And in case you're wondering, oh, police know the motive but they can't solve the crime. Think about this. Police know all of the troublemaker them, all of the 87 them, when a man lose them life, the police them instantly hear say, or because them 2 man are war now, or because them lane are war now, or because clans are one other are war now. Knowing the motive is easy. What is difficult is securing a conviction. You see, when the people them are war in our community, they can always hear say, well, in come from that side, say man them shoot him, or you never there say man them shoot him. But getting people to go in one courtroom to testify in a court of law against JJ Nakish is a complete different story. So that's why the police them know the motive. Police them know the motive, them know the names of the people them, but for hold them and get conviction, therein lies the problem. We need better laws and we need better case, what you call that, case gathering. When they put the case them together, so that's by the time they reach court, it's sealed and done for. That must improve. We've seen many cases in the past mash up because of shoddy investigation work, spooky investigation work. So, at least now we have a better idea. 79%, that's extraordinary. Anyway, Ultra Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, whole life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.